In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from Godaddy to Wix. So first things first, you can actually purchase a domain from Godaddy. So for example, just using here a domain that you want, like for example this one, click on this add to cart option, and then after that proceed to checkout in order to successfully buy this particular store. You can head over and click on continue right here, looks good, and then from in there just check it out right there. So once you have checked out the domain, you can actually integrate it to your Wix. So head over right here to your Wix and then scroll down until you can see this option called settings. Now from in there, you can see some more settings. So scroll down right here, click on this website settings option, and then just scroll down and we have in here our domain. So you can actually connect your own branded domain, but it requires upgrade from your current Wix plan. So what you can do is click on this upgrade now right here, and then after that this will prompt you to upgrade your site to a premium site. So select in here a plan that you want. It can be $5, $7, or a lot more right here. So just choose a plan that you want, and then after you have actually uploaded or purchased a website, you can head over and buy some domains from GoDaddy and check it out through the Wix website itself right there.